right, man on the train. Man on the train. You niggas ready? You ready, eh? You ready? Let's get it. Let's get it going. Let me know if it's too loud. Well, I can't remember the last time I rode a train.
I know, but I was in this like stupid thing of being like scared of him just not wanting to shoot me. Like obviously I needed this never had a job in forever. Like it's just ridiculous.
Yeah, but then okay, so how long did it take?
What? I was just need to like go through
It's
it.
nice skin.
I honestly, it was like all a bit of a blur actually. So it was like in front of the camera and everything's fine, right? Like we're shooting and like he's like being really positive. It was getting a bit weird, some of the positions, but I was like, whatever. And he was like,
Positions?
And I was like, okay, yeah, I'll walk around the back of the, So yeah, then he wanted me to look at the pictures. So I went round to his side of the camera and it was so weird. Like he just so slowly put his hand around my back.
Why didn't you call me?
Well, obviously I wasn't
Yeah,
going to call
like
him.
I would.
Oh, hell no.
Training.
Oh, hell no.
I was falling around like.
Oh, hell no. I would have got the fuck up and would have tried to find another seat. You got two of these bitches over here talking, and you got buddy ass. Nah, couldn't do it.
Like,
I could not do it.
Cut forward 2 months later.
Shoot, like,
Do you remember that girl, Jane?
There's too much talking going
Am I
on.
wrong? No, it wasn't wrong. Like I obviously.
Yeah.
Of course you're not wrong.
Yeah, before you went to Australia, he gave it.
Way too much talking going on.
Grand.
I just feel like.
We'll go for a few drinks, right? Now, we're having a drink. She's asking me, like, where do you work? I say, I work at Casey's. And she says, no way. I was chatting to a guy, like, 2 weeks ago who said he worked for Casey's. I was like, okay, interesting, yes.
Yo. Y'all saw that? Y'all saw that shit? Yo. Bruh, he looking dead at you. Yo! Bro, I'm low-key shook right now. It might be the weed. Would have never took my eyes off him. Ooh! Bro, what? Why the fuck she take her eyes off that nigga? Why she take her eyes off of him? What the fuck? I would have started recording. Yo. Yo! What? Bro, I would. Okay. I'm gonna let the video end before I say anything else. Is that it? Yeah, nah. One thing, okay, so like I said, I ain't been on a train in so long. I think the last time I was on a train, I was in California with my mom. I was a kid. So I was a kid. So there would have been I wouldn't have been able to make no decisions for myself. But I don't know how trains work. I don't know if they check you. I'm pretty sure there's metal detectors and shit before you get on the shit, right? I don't know. But if not, my shit would have been on me. And then he would have jumped down like that. Bruh, he would have walked towards me and squatted down like that, and I would have up pole immediately. Immediately. Like, what the fuck? Immediately. Immediately. Or I would have socked that dumbass nigga. What the fuck? But it's a girl, so you feel me? I don't know. That shit was just creepy as hell. I would have elbowed that nigga when I saw he was behind me. I would have hit him with a quick one to the fucking jaw. See if he like that. That one was way better than the last video for sure. That one was way better than the last one. All right.